Hello, kids. Welcome to English Learning Hub. Before we start, please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you can learn English with fun every day. Today, we are going to learn a new and exciting letter. This letter is very easy and very fun. Our letter for today is the letter F. Look carefully. This is capital F. And this is small f. Capital F, small f. They look different, but they are the same letter. Now let's learn the sound of the letter F. The letter F makes the f sound. Listen carefully. F says f. Now it's time to learn some fun and easy words that start with the letter F. Are you ready? Let's go! Our first word is fish. F for fish. A fish lives in water. Fish can swim. Next word is frog. F for frog. A frog can jump high. Frogs say ribbit. Next word, fan. F for fan. A fan keeps us cool. Next word, flower. F for flower. Flowers are colorful and beautiful. Next word, fire. F for fire. Fire is hot and bright. Next word, fork. F for fork. We use a fork to eat food. Next word, fox. F for fox. A fox is a clever animal. Next word, fruit. F for fruit. Fruits are healthy and sweet. Now, let's revise all our words together. Repeat after me. Fish, frog, fan, flower, fire, fork, fox, fruit. Wow, you are doing so well! Now, let's play a small guessing game. Listen carefully. What starts with F and lives in water? Yes, fish! What starts with F and can jump? That's right, frog! What starts with F and keeps us cool? Yes, fan! What starts with F and is colorful and beautiful? Correct, flower. You are very smart. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to English Learning Hub for more fun English learning videos. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep learning. See you next time. Bye-bye!